This is part 2 of my hiccup cure. In the last video, I showed you how you can fill your whole lungs there. But this time, we're just going to fill the lower part of the lungs, down by the diaphragm, like this. Fill only the bottom part of the lungs, pressing against the diaphragm. Or as you get as much air as you can take in, and just a little bit more. Stretching the bottom part of the lungs. Breathing in a little bit if you have to. So quickly breathe in again. Keep breathing in. Not just holding your breath like this. But just keep taking air in. This time at the bottom of the lungs. Try to fill all the air at the bottom of the lungs. Let your stomach stick out. It's like you're filling air right here. The air in the bottom part of the lungs will kind of push against the diaphragm. Just keep pulling it like that. Keep as much air in. Wait up the spasms of your hiccups. Just filling up here. Not up here, but up down here. Inhale as far as you can and just try a little bit more. Try to stretch the lungs down here. Wait up the spasms of the hiccups. This too, you might have to do it a few times. The idea is to control the spasms in your diaphragm. Get control of your diaphragm. Filling air right here. My stomach is really hard here from the air I'm breathing in. I think you put pressure against your diaphragm to kind of hold down the diaphragm and stop the spasms. At least that's what I think it does. Just do it a few times. Wait up the spasms. Maybe do a nice quiet place until you get the hang of it. Then you won't have to take in so much air next time if you think you can control it. Takes a little practice, but it works for me in curing my hiccups.